Welcome to our channel. The 2025 Range Rover is here, redefining luxury, power, and cutting-edge technology. Known for its iconic design, supreme comfort, and off-road dominance, the latest model takes things to a whole new level. Whether you're looking for a high-end city cruiser or an all-terrain beast, the new Range Rover delivers. The 2025 Range Rover maintains its signature sleek yet bold design, featuring a more refined grille, slimmer LED headlights, and a minimalist yet aggressive stance. The floating roof and flush door handles add a futuristic touch, while the 22-inch alloy wheels enhance its road presence. For those who love customization, Range Rover offers a wide variety of paint options, including premium metallic shades and SV bespoke colors. The revised rear end comes with an updated LED taillight signature, giving it a sophisticated look. Performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Range Rover offers multiple powertrains, including a 3.0L turbocharged inline-six with mild hybrid technology, 395 horsepower. A 4.4L twin-turbo V8, 523 horsepower, for those who crave more power. A new plug-in hybrid PHEV variant with up to 50 miles of electric range. An upcoming all-electric Range Rover set to debut later this year. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and intelligent all-wheel drive, the Range Rover delivers seamless acceleration and superior handling. The adaptive air suspension automatically adjusts for a smooth ride, whether on highways or rough terrains. Its legendary terrain response 2 system allows you to conquer mud, snow, and sand with ease. With a wading depth of up to 35.4 inches, this SUV is ready for any adventure. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted with top-tier craftsmanship. The cabin features premium leather, wood, and metal accents, ensuring a first-class experience. The massaging, ventilated seats provide ultimate comfort, while the whisper-quiet interior makes every journey peaceful. The 13.1-inch Pivi Pro infotainment system offers Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Alexa integration, ensuring seamless connectivity. The 35-speaker Meridian signature sound system transforms the cabin into a concert hall. For rear passengers, the executive class seating option provides reclining seats, a touchscreen center console, and rear entertainment screens. Safety features. Safety remains a top priority in the 2025 Range Rover, featuring adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane keep assist and blind spot monitoring, 360-degree surround camera with 3D view, night vision and driver drowsiness detection, autonomous emergency braking. Pricing. The 2025 Range Rover starts at $106,000 for the base model and goes up to $230,000 for the fully loaded SV Autobiography. The plug-in hybrid PHEV variant starts around $120,000, while the upcoming all-electric version is expected to be priced above $140,000. Outro. The 2025 Range Rover continues to dominate the luxury SUV segment with its stunning design, cutting-edge tech, and unbeatable off-road capability. Whether you seek performance, luxury, or sustainability, this SUV has something for everyone. What do you think of the new Range Rover? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxury car reviews. See you in the next video.